Hi everyone, this is Miss Cowan. This is Chapter 2 review. This is problem number 4. It says, Miss Burns is solving an equation. Her work is shown below. Circle the first step in which her work shows an error. So here's the equation. We have 6 times x minus 3 plus 10 is equal to 2 times 2x minus 4. So I'm going to do my own work, and each step of the way I'm going to look to see if it matches what Miss Burns wrote. So I'm going to multiply 6 on the outside. That's 6 times x. 6 times x is 6x. And then I'm going to multiply 6 times negative 3, which is negative 18. I'm going to bring down the 10. And then on the right-hand side, I'm going to distribute 2 times 2x, 2 times negative 4, and then I'm going to look to see, does it look like Miss Burns's first step? Step 1, 6x minus 18 plus 10 is equal to 4x minus 8. So the first step is good. So now I'm going to start putting some like terms together. On the left side, I have negative 18. And I have positive 10. So when I put those together, I still have 6x, negative 18 and positive 10, different signs, subtract, so that's a negative 8, is equal to 4x minus 8. So I'm looking at her first step. She has 6x plus 8 is equal to 4x minus 8. So she made a mistake right here on step 2. That was the first mistake. Describe Miss Burns' error or errors and show how she would do the work correctly. Did she make more than one error? Well, let's keep going over here. I'm going to try and get all the variables to one side. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. 6x minus 4x is 2x. Minus 8 is equal to negative 8. So she subtracted 8 on both sides. I'm going to add 8. Take away 8 is 0. I'm going to divide by 2. And I get x is equal to 0. What other errors did she make? Miss Burns, in step 2, made a sign error. The 8 should be negative. On the left. So on step 3, if that was the right equation, she subtracted 8, and that looks good. However, look at these signs right here. She had those are both negative 8s. You're going to add them together, and you should have got a negative 8 right there. So that's another error that she made. She added negative 8 and negative 8, which is should be negative 16, not positive 16. If I go to the next step, she subtracted 4x, so then that's 2x divided by 2. Look at this last step here. If she's dividing by 2, would the number get bigger? I don't think so, so I think I need to say something about that. Step 4, she should have divided but she multiplied. Oops. Oops, let's see, she divided. She should have divided. She should have divided 16 by 2. Okay, and then the correct answer should be when x is 0. Please work through the problem on your paper and then come to class with any questions that you still have.